Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be giving you guys a tour of my crafting desk, which also functions as a vanity. So let's just get started. So here is the overall view of my desk. This is an IKEA desk with the two Alex drawers, and we're just going to start with the top of the desk. So on the whole left side is pretty much all of my makeup and vanity stuff, and then the right side in these drawers are all of my crafting things. First, on the left side we have this mirror, and it's pretty dirty as you can see, but I really just use it to put some of my lip products in. It's kind of unnecessary, but I had it before I got this big mirror, so I've just had it ever since, and I've been using it to keep some of my favorite lip products. And then here we have all of my brushes and this custom mug that has my name on it that my friend Caitlin, her name is also Caitlin, made for me, so shout out to her. And then we have this setting spray from NYX that's pretty much almost gone, and then a little e.l.f. lip tint. And then of course the main thing we have here in the middle is my vanity light mirror, and this mirror can function without the lights. You can turn on the lights to the brightest setting, and then the more you click it, the more you click the M is when you'll get the different shades of lights. So here's the more yellow light, and then if you click it again, you get the bluer light, and then eventually you'll get this like bright light. And I usually just stay with this white light. I'm gonna just keep it on as like a little ring light moment for you guys. But on the right side, on top of my desk, we have a Bioma Milky Toner, and then we have this tripod that I use all the time for my YouTube shorts and my regular long form videos. And then we just have some little trinket object things that are just kind of random for decoration, or I just don't have anywhere to put them. There is the overall view. We also have my furry chair with a tote bag on it that I've been planning to paint, but I still haven't gotten around to, which is pretty bad because I've had it for a long time here. And then there's also this sweatshirt in here that I plan to customize, and I already have a bow patch bought for it, so let me know if you guys want to see a video of me doing that. But finally, moving on to the actual drawers. On the right side, I have this top drawer, and we just have my canvases. We have markers that I use for squishies all the time. And these aren't really fancy markers, they're just a lot of Crayola markers. Got some Ron John stickers that my aunt pretty much gave most of them. And then I have these bedazzling materials for like shirts and just to bedazzle random things. But I've only ever bedazzled a shirt, and so I have the glue and the little rhinestones. Got some cute post-its that I got from my other aunt for my birthday. That is the overall first side of the craft drawer. In the second drawer, we have more crafting materials, of course, but here's more like colored pencils, watercolor, highlighters, more pencil materials. We have like some graphite on the bottom. It's honestly not that organized because when you roll it in and out, it kind of moves towards the back. Got some pencil pouches with erasers and Sharpies, just basic materials. More colored pencils, a crayon box, some paintbrushes, another little Hershey pencil case that has some pens in there. And this is another watercolor set. That is that drawer. Got some scissors. In this third drawer, I have pretty much more random things compiled together. Got random thumbtacks that I actually meant to buy a different thing, but I accidentally got thumbtacks. So now I have those. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how I can use those, because honestly I don't know how I will. But we've got my clipboard back there, this church camp booklet. I have a Sephora bag because I was planning to make some Sephora paper crafts where they recreate an actual Sephora product and make it like a cardboard version, because I just think those are really cool. Got some glue, whiteout, sharpeners, a craft I made a long time ago on this channel in one of my first few videos during Christmas time. Got my fun pens back here, ruler, and tape, and this other booklet, and just notebooks and these little decoration flowers for crafting. Then in the second to last drawer, we have slime materials. Got glue, activator, baking soda for the activator, some sprinkles and glitter to add in. A lot of glitter back here, there's glitter in here. And then we have these Fimo beads, I think that's what they're called. Some food coloring, scents, lotion, a conditioner, and that is pretty much just all of my slime supplies. And here there's just some like flakes. Okay, there's actually more in here than I thought. There's some fishbowl beads. In the Nerds packets, there are just like mini beads that I stored in there. And then I got these like gold foil things in the back. And last but not least, in the last drawer on the right side, I have all of my actual slime that I made and some slimatory clay from the YouTuber Amira, who makes a bunch of slime. I also have some fidgets back here, and it's pretty much just a bunch of slime, fidgets, and then this clay. So that is that drawer. Moving on to the right side drawers. On this top drawer, we've got my skincare. I got these little wrist things that you put on so you don't get water all down your arms as you wash your face. So those are pretty random, but I use those sometimes. This is all like the skincare kind of organized. I didn't have enough organizers that I bought to actually organize everything, but I organized some of it. In the back here, we've got the skincare headbands, and then these travel skincare set that is a cute little cinnamon roll, Cinderio moment. One of my favorite drawers. I just like looking at it honestly. But next we've got my everyday makeup drawer, and I don't use all this makeup every day, but this is the makeup that I use the most on a daily basis. And in this container, we got the actual tools that I use to apply my makeup. Beauty blender, got my powder puff that's looking pretty rough right now. I use most of the brushes on the top actually, but here are just some of the smaller tools that actually fit in the drawer that I use on a daily basis. And then here is, this middle portion is like the base section. So we've got these two eyebrow gels. This is my favorite, but I got this in the Sephora birthday set, the Kosas set. So I also just threw that in there, and I actually like it, but this one still is by far my favorite. Here we've got two powders, got the e.l.f. Bright Up powder, this e.l.f. setting powder, my bronzer, blush, little Vaseline that I actually apply to my eyelashes after I curl them if I don't feel like wearing mascara that day. And then I've got this Lumi Glotion, my concealers, and that's the overall base section. And then here in the back, we've got mascaras. We have Lash Sensational, got the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I got that one also for my birthday, for like the Ulta birthday gift. And then lastly, we got the Essence mascara in here. Just use this shade, little e.l.f. quad, to put in my inner corner. I usually just use that one. I don't use the other shades as much, but I like that little quad. It's a good basic eyeshadow palette. And then my favorite lip products are the lippies, and here is my favorites. Clearly I have a lot in here, but a little overview. We've got the Kosas, NYX, Milani lip oil, e.l.f. lip oil, the lip liners on the side, and then I've just got this Ulta lip tint. And that is my everyday makeup drawer. In the third drawer, we have all of my other makeup that I don't use as often, but still a fun drawer. Here is my lip products. So you can clearly see the addiction and that I love them so much. But there's all those. Got my blush here, We've got more base products, all of my little palettes. And then here is just like a miscellaneous box with a bunch of random makeup that I don't use as often. And then in this fourth drawer, we got my lotions and this lip balm makeup bag. Here we have this lip balm like makeup kit thingy. I've had this Claire's little container for the longest time, but got Aquaphor and just a bunch of lip balm in there because I have a crazy amount of lip balm, as you can see. And to the left of that makeup container, we've got these eye patches for your under eyes. I got this for Christmas. No, I got this for my birthday from my mom, and I really like them. They're really nice in the morning, especially because I have bad under eye bags, so they're just nice to have. And then in this special container, I have these real gold earrings that I got for my 15th birthday, and those are just kept in here because it's a safe spot that I can't really lose them in, because I also just don't want to keep them with the rest of my earrings because they're special. And finally, in the last drawer, which is sadly my least favorite drawer, is a bunch of my school supplies and just school materials. Some of this stuff is from last year, but the top stuff is from this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and give me some more video suggestions because I am definitely lacking some, and I just want to be more consistent because I haven't been posting as much lately. But let me know what you guys are thinking down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!